It is Thanksgiving, so you have to have turkey. But I'm gonna do something really simple, roast turkey breast. So much easier to do, and you don't have to carve that whole bird. Just gonna go wash my hands and I'll show you the next part. Now I'm gonna make the most flavorful herb rub for this. You know, turkey really doesn't have that much flavor, so you gotta add it to it. Really bring out the turkeyness. So the first thing I'm gonna do is about a tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm gonna take this rub and put it underneath the skin and over the skin. That's so good. 2 teaspoons of mustard. I'm using dry mustard. It's got lots of intense flavor. And then lots of fresh herbs. Tablespoon of fresh sage. Tablespoon of fresh rosemary. Maybe just a teaspoon of fresh, that's more than a teaspoon, a fresh thyme. Just gonna chop them all up together. Into the garlic and mustard, I need 2 teaspoons of salt. I know everybody's worried about salt, but it's really important for flavoring a turkey. Teaspoon of pepper. Just mix them all together. And then in order to make it into a rub, I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And because I like a little edge on things, I'm gonna put about a teaspoon or 2 of freshly squeezed lemon juice. That'll really bring out the flavor. So now all I'm gonna do is put the herbs underneath the skin so it really is directly on the turkey meat. So this is a whole turkey breast. It's actually 2 halves and they're still connected. That's about 6 or 7 pounds total. And what you wanna do is just very carefully put your fingers underneath the skin and you just really pull it apart from the meat. And that'll give you a little pocket to put the herbs in. Just try not to puncture the skin so the herbs stay in. And then clean hands are a cook's best friend. Just gonna rub half the herbs underneath the skin and half the herbs on top. You can smell the sage, garlic. It's gonna be so delicious. Pour a cup of white wine into the pan. This will give it flavor and keep it really moist. Cook it in a 325-degree oven for about 2 hours until an instant read thermometer inserted in the thickest part of the breast reads 165 degrees, and the turkey will be done. Cover it with foil and allow it to rest at room temperature for 15 minutes.